Hi, my name is John Cooper, and I'm a personal injury attorney with Cooper Hurley Injury Lawyers out of Norfolk, Virginia. We and our firm are helping families who were hurt through the poisonous water at Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, to recover for illnesses they have, things like cancer, as a result of exposure to the bad water that was in and around Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. So you may have heard about these cases. There's a new act in Congress that is on the brink of passing that is going to allow families to get compensation if their loved one got, for instance, cancer, and they lived or worked at Camp Lejeune in North Carolina for more than 30 days during the period from the early 1950s to 1987. So all we're going to need to show to have a valid claim here is that you were in and around Camp Lejeune working or living for about 30 days during the 60s, 70s, or early 80s, and that you or your family has suffered some dread disease like cancer, and there's a whole long list of different things that you could have that are probably related to this exposure. So if you have any of these diseases and you were at Camp Lejeune, please give us a call to discuss it. We would love to explain what your rights are with no obligation. You don't have to pay us any money up front, and we'll give you information about your rights to make a claim. So it's relatively early days in this litigation, but it's really important that you get signed up with us sooner rather than later so we can make sure that we put your name in and get your place in line so that when compensation is available, you and your family are going to get what you're entitled to as a result of the toxic water down there. Because I live and have lived my whole life here in Hampton Roads, Virginia, I am well aware of how our military families sacrifice so much just to serve our nation. And then when something like this happens, where the government, pretty much knowingly let this bad thing happen to the families and the workers, and even people just in and around that facility, they should have to pay for it, and this act will allow that to happen. I remember at the beginning of my career in the late 1980s, I would get calls from people, and unfortunately we couldn't do anything for them because of governmental immunity or other laws. But this new law has changed that. So if you or a loved one has a question about Camp Lejeune and the toxic water causing disease like cancer, please do give us a call. We would love to talk to you.